Good morning, dear children. Welcome to your GK class. This is grade 4, chapter 6, Inspiring Indian Women. Children, the meaning of the word inspiring means influential. A person who has the capability to raise the morale of others also, to influence other people also. So, in India, there have been some women who have been really inspirational, not for their families only, but to the whole world. Their stories are really great and worthwhile to know about. So, let us know about them. First is Meera Kumar. She was the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha. Second is Fatima Bibi, first woman judge of Supreme Court of India. Third is Pratibha Patil, first woman president of India. Fourth is Lata Mangeshkar. She is one of the best known and most respected playback singers in India, in Bollywood. Next is Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, first Indian and also the first woman president of United Nations General Assembly. Next, Sucheta Kriplani, first CM of Uttar Pradesh of Free India. Next is Rita Faria, first to become the Miss World. And next is Homai Vyarawala. She was the India's first woman as photojournalist. Next chapter is about animals of the mountains. Children, there are some animals who have special features to live on the mountains. Their body have special adaptability so that they can follow this lifestyle. So here some names are mentioned. First is African buffalo. It is the largest and the most formidable animal of Africa. Next is Himalayan marmot. It is the highest altitude dwelling mammal, means the animal which live on the great height of Himalayan mountains. Next is Kharkal. It is the type of cat that lives in Africa. And next is Puma. It is also a kind of cat, belongs to cat family, and it is found in the mountains of Canada to South America. Next is alpaca. This animal is a domesticated animal which can live at home also, and it is a kind of species like South American camelid. It resembles small llama in appearance. Next is coyote. It is a kind of animal that looks like medium-sized dog. It has bushy tail. Next chapter is about amphibians. Children, amphibians are the animals that have the capability to live both in water as well as on land. And they are vertebrates as they have a backbone, and when they grow they develop lungs and legs also for their life on land. So the chapter is telling us about some special interesting facts and characteristics of amphibians. As it is shown in the pictures, there is frog, snakes, lizards, tortoise. These all are amphibians. So let's read it. They are cold-blooded animals, which means their body temperature is same as the air or water around them. Next, amphibians have thin, moist skin that helps them to breathe. Then we know frog is amphibian. It has a short body. It has webbed fingers and toes. Then Sicilians are also amphibians without legs or arms. They are like snakes or worms. Then salamanders, which looks like a lizard. It is also an amphibian. They have skinny bodies, short legs. Amphibians lay their eggs in the water. Next chapter, Info Organizer. Let's visit Chennai. The chapter contains detail about the beautiful state of Tamil Nadu. You know, children, Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It is the fourth largest city in India, and it is also, the name is said to be originated from Madras Pattinam, a fishing village located north of the St. George Fort. And you know, children, this is the oldest fort in India. St. George Fort, which is in Chennai, is the oldest fort in India. Next feature about Chennai is, it is also known as the automobile capital of India because there is automobile industry. And you know, Bharatnatyam is the famous dance form of Chennai. Then Mariana Beach is the famous beach in Chennai. This is the longest beach in the world, second longest beach in the world. Also, there are some places in Chennai which are very beautiful to see by us, by common people. So with this, today's lecture finishes, children. Hope everything is clear and understandable to you. Enjoy it, children. Thank you.